Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm sitting inside my leisure travel van. It's about 150 degrees outside. I'm in Dallas, and so I've got my air conditioner running, so I apologize about the noise if you can hear it. But I am running my air conditioner off of my battery. And if you want to learn how I do that, I'll put the link right there, and then put the link down in the description down below. You know, being able to run the air conditioner off the battery, man, it's a game changer for freedom, right? So absolutely love it, highly recommend it. Anyway, what I want to talk about today is this fog interior. As you can see, I have fog interior. Now, I highly recommend the look. If you're going to choose the Espresso, which we have, as you can see, if you're going to choose the Espresso finish, which I do like, I mean, it's nice, but it's really dark, and so I think you really should choose the fog interior, the fog ultra leather. And it pretty much does everything that it says as far as being stain resistant when on normal things. So we have two dogs, as you know, that you've probably seen them on the channel before or on Instagram, but man, if they come in with muddy feet, that's fine. You can clean that off pretty easy. However, if you set anything that has a rubber backing on it, it's going to permanently stain it. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So this TV right here, I added a sound bar that I got off Amazon, and I've got a video about that I think it's right there, that I'll link that. It had rubber feet on it, and I set it right here on this little guy right here, and came back, and as you can see, it is stained it. And we have tried everything to get it off, magic erasers, everything that ultra leather says that will take stains off. We have tried literally everything. It still hasn't done it. Hasn't been able to clean it. And then Janet got this dog bed at TJ Maxx or wherever she gets her dog beds. And so it is a dog bed that has little rubber feeding, little rubber dots on the bottom of it. Well, guess what? Same thing. As you can see, it is completely stained this white fog ultra leather, and we cannot get it off to save our life. Now, I assume that over time it may come off. I don't know, but I'm really disappointed. And really, we have to be mindful. So again, dirt, mud, that kind of stuff, anything natural like that, I think is going to come off fine. I think you're going to be fine. Just do not set anything that it has rubber on your white fog ultra leather. Because at the end of the day, they call this fog. It is white. I mean, it is white. And so it is going to show every single little thing. Really disappointed that we found out the hard way. I'm not going to say don't get the fog. I love the fog. I think it really brightens up and it really has a great look. And so if as long as you don't put anything rubber on it, I think you're going to be fine. So I don't want to deter you from getting the fog if that's what you really want, especially if you get this dark interior. But just keep that in mind. So that's my public service announcement, and that is the video for this week. Really short, really sweet. And again, if this is your first time on the channel, you like leisure travel vans or RVing, gear, gadgets, everything in between, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Appreciate it if you give me the old thumbs up. But anyway, so that is it for this week, and we will see you next week.